This is the Hunsaker Vortex smoker right out of the box, and I'm Max Good. I test and review grills and smokers full-time for AmazingRibs.com. I'll be putting it through the paces shortly, so let's take a quick look before I start to cook. This virtual showroom video is part 1. For part 2, click on the link to my full detailed review right below this screen. Welcome to our virtual showroom. Here's the Hunsaker Vortex smoker. It's an upright barrel smoker, aka ugly drum smoker, 55-gallon drum, and it has a few very unique features that you will not find on other drum smokers. There's this nice stay cool handle so you don't burn your fingers. The exhaust damper is located on a chimney on top, and a thermometer is popped into the chimney. Hunsaker believes if the thermometer is located in the side of the barrel, the probe is more subject to damage. They think it's safer up here. And this thermometer may be calibrated with a screwdriver. They call this their floating hinge. Keeps that lid out of your way. And there's a lock here to stop it from flopping back down on you. The air intake has a rather clever design. Located at the bottom, and it can be operated with your foot. See how that works? Now we're going to see where this smoker gets the Vortex name. There's a conical heat shield at the bottom. It's flared out. Hunsaker claims this reduces heat stress on the sides of the drum and prevents damage to the paint. And it's the resting place for the Vortex Charcoal Basket. Here is the Vortex Charcoal Basket itself. Flop that handle down. This Vortex heat plate is supposed to even out heat and reduce hot spots. There's the charcoal basket and a removable ashtray on the bottom. Just set it into that conical heat shield and start smoking. What are those rails over there? Well, I'll tell you what they are. That's where you rest your cooking grate. It has 5 different levels. Here's the expanded metal cooking grate all the way at the top level. Instead of pins attached to the inside of the barrel, the pins are sticking out of the grate, and they fit into these notched slots at 5 levels. Here's the grate all the way at the bottom. We'll shut this lid down, come around to the back again by that floating hinge, and you'll see there's also a handle. Those big old wheels at the bottom are meant to get you around any kind of terrain for competing, tailgating, you name it. And there it is, the Hunsaker Vortex. Very curious to see what this unusual design is capable of accomplishing. I thoroughly tested this model. If you're watching on YouTube, scroll down right under the little piggy with the red hat and click on the link to my full detailed review. For more about this and hundreds of other grills and smokers, visit AmazingRibs.com, where you'll also get tested recipes, tips and techniques, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking. AmazingRibs.com, the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the world.